Schizophrenia is seen as one of the most serious mental health disorders. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says while there's no cure for the disorder, family members can help by supporting people affected by this condition. Shamila Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
Schizophrenia is a problem with the brain. The condition affects at least 1% of the Jamaican population. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says of the approximately 2,000 homeless people in Jamaica, over 50% suffers from schizophrenia.
In all countries with the 1%, you are going to find homeless people. And because one of the things about schizophrenia, especially if they are paranoid, they do not want to be around people, they do not trust individuals, and therefore they prefer being on the street where they are not as fearful or they don't come in contact with other people as much as they would if the interaction is limited or they can control the interaction on the street.
Schizophrenia is usually caused by an infection in the brain or through genetics.
If you find a father or a mother that's schizophrenic, it doesn't necessarily mean that every child is going to be schizophrenic, but you have a higher risk factor in those families. When you take a history of an individual with schizophrenia, you usually find somewhere an uncle or somebody else in the family with that disorder or a disorder, a mental disorder like that.
Taking drugs like marijuana can also make the condition worse. Dr. Wright says there is no cure for schizophrenia. However, medications are available to manage and prevent further deterioration of the brain. But the challenge is most of the people affected do not want to take the medications.
And that's where the family support is important. Early family support, that the family encourages them, ensure that they take their medication, follow up with them, takes them to the clinic. Because if the family is not willing or able to do that, eventually many schizophrenic patients will end up homeless or end up in hospital over and over.
With your health report, I'm Shamila Pullen wishing you good health.